always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there.
What's kicking, guys? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Sheddy,
What's up, guys?
swimming at Raft Sesh. That's not swimming, that's hula.
That's
Close enough.
Swimming is like-
Ocean, things and stuff. Check it out. This week, we are actually showcasing an Underhood wrap, which I love doing.
love.
Love. Underhoods are probably one of my favorite things to wrap.
Even though they're very difficult.
They can be very difficult. Not every underhood can be wrapped.
But it's almost like it's satisfying.
It's satisfying to lay. It's very challenging, but it's also very satisfying to lay. Just hitting all these deep stretches with your glove, and they're just really fun for me to do. I really like to do them. They are definitely a challenge. One disclaimer for all you naysayers out there. Underhood wraps, we don't have the same warranty as a typical wrap. Usually because it doesn't have a good glass painted surface underneath. It's also exposed to an extreme amount of heat because of the engine bay.
Hot.
So when we do these, they're technically not warranted the same, but we've done
a few, and they've
quite a
lasted
few.
quite a while.
I haven't
So
really
we've
had
had
them-
some good luck.
Haven't really had them come back for anything, for any failure or anything like that. So the biggest thing is just being transparent with your client of what they can expect to happen in the worst case scenario. And if you do that and you're upfront, there's not going to be any miscommunication.
Everyone needs to be on the same page.
Yep. So it can be done if you do it right. You can do everything in your power to make it last and hope for the best. That's really how it works. But we've had a lot of success with these.
Yeah.
So if you guys remember, a few weeks back we did our Geo Soul Kia.
It's a Kianda.
A Kianda. We did this in the brand new Arlon SLX Plus print media film. Super spectacular, low tack print media. Really fun to work with. I really enjoyed it.
I like it.
Like I said, it just came out on the market, so this Underhood install really kind of put it to the test, and I'm really excited to see over time how it holds up. So we'll definitely keep you updated on that. We actually printed this on our the thing, Expert Jet. This is our Muto 1682 SR, which is a dual head eco solvent printer.
Two heads.
This is our upgraded printer from Muto America. It prints super fast. So nice.
Yeah, we can print like 3 cars a day.
It's twice as fast.
Yeah.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah.
So we printed it out on the Muto 1682 SR, and then we laminated it with a Arlon satin finish to match the rest of the car.
Which is super nice.
We had Bosch Tech Designs continue his design work and do that underhood design for us to kind of match the outside of the car. So it's really fluid. And the reason why we wanted to do this is because Nikki always goes to car shows and has her hood up. And it's always propped up. And you can see under the hood, the whole hood is like, you know, the original gloss white pearl paint.
Yeah.
And so I thought it'd be a really good idea. It's a really easy upsell, and it's really unique and cool. If people are gonna show cars with their hoods up, it's a good idea to do an underhood. So we did that.
Yeah.
We were using, for prep work and everything, we just did basic alcohol wipe down. We're using 3M knifeless tape design line to make all of our edges.
Yeah, we overlaid it onto the edges that were already there from the overlap wrap.
Another important thing is the edges of the hood. We actually end up laminate stripping that with a satin edge seal, just to hold it down really well.
And any really deep recesses that are like from the glue or something, we usually cut those, or else it'll just bridge, because it's like a 90-degree super deep recess in some of those spots, and so we'll cut them. And
a lot of our deep edges we use primer as well. So just to kind of help promote adhesion, like I said, it's not a perfectly gloss ideal surface, and it's really hot down there and you're stretching a lot. So we did use primer for a couple things, and then really we just used our Image One Impact.
You gotta
IR
heat the crap out of it.
And just bake the crap out of it.
You need to get it
to
as pretty much as hot as the engine's gonna get it. you want to match that temperature, because it's if not, once it gets to that temperature and it hasn't been there before, it could fail.
Yeah. So a really good test for the Arlon SLX Plus. Plus, it's a nice challenge for our skills. Check it out. We hope you enjoy.
Can they see us?
Can you see me?
Nobody can see us.
I'm not here.
I'm not here.
What's up, guys? We hope you enjoyed this week's episode on the GeoSoul Underhood using Arlon SLX Plus print media. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at RapSeshAZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. And we'll see you guys next week. Disappear.
You can't see me?
Nope. Like chameleon.